New York City is vast. It is a true global center. Bright lights shine here always. Tall buildings touch the sky. People call it home. The city is full of energy. It is a city that never sleeps. It is known all over our world. Great diversity truly defines it. People come here from all lands. Many different tongues are spoken. You can hear them every day. There are different foods, many cultures. New York is a global melting pot. This special mix makes the city unique. The city has iconic landmarks. The Great Statue of Liberty stands tall. The Empire State Building is famous. Times Square bustles with bright lights. Central Park offers a green escape. These are very well-known places. People from everywhere love to see them. New York has strong global influence. Before New York City existed, the land here was very different. There were forests, rivers and hills. The Lenape people lived on this land. They called this place Manhattan. This name meant land of many hills. They lived in harmony with all nature for many thousands of peaceful years. The Lenape had their own way of life. They were very skilled hunters. They fished often in the clear rivers. They also farmed the fertile land. Corn, beans and squash grew well. They lived together in small villages. Their culture was ancient and rich. European explorers soon arrived by sea. Giovanni da Verrazzano came here first. He sailed in the year 1524 for France. He saw the very large natural harbour. He quickly noted its great potential, but he did not stay for very long. Henry Hudson made his voyage later. This important voyage opened new doors for trade. The Dutch people arrived to trade. This happened after Hudson's voyage. They wanted the valuable animal furs. Beaver pelts were very popular then, so they set up small trading posts. Little settlements started to grow there. This was the real beginning of a new European presence here. The founding of New Amsterdam occurred in 1624 by the Dutch West India Company. They established a permanent new colony. It was built on Manhattan Island. They decided to call it New Amsterdam. It was mainly a business venture. Its purpose was for profit and trade. It quickly became a very busy port. Life in New Amsterdam was diverse. Many different people came to live there. Dutch, Germans, English and Africans too. Some were enslaved, while others were free. Many various religions were also present. It was known as a tolerant place. For its time, it was quite open. Section 4, the English takeover and revolutionary fires. English interest in the area grew. England saw the Dutch colony's success. New Amsterdam was a very key port. It also split the English colonies. England wanted to gain full control. Tensions started to grow between them. War was looming on the horizon. The small Dutch colony was quite vulnerable. The English then seized New Amsterdam. In the year 1664, English warships arrived. Peter Stuyvesant had very little support. He had to surrender without a fight. The colony quickly became New York. It was named after the Duke of York. This event marked a major change. A new chapter for the city began. New York continued under English rule. The city did not stop growing. It remained a vital and busy port. New English laws were soon introduced, but some Dutch influence still remained. The city's notable diversity also continued. Section 5, the 19th century growth, immigration and challenges. This was a century of massive growth. New York City expanded very rapidly. This happened after the revolution ended. Its population boomed incredibly quickly. Trade and all commerce flourished greatly. It became America's most leading city. The city's future looked extremely bright. Many people wanted to come and live there. The Erie Canal had a huge impact. It was officially opened in the year 1825. It connected the wide Hudson River to the distant Great Lakes region. This connection was revolutionary for all trade. Many goods flowed through New York City. It cemented its great economic power. The city became even richer than before. Great waves of immigration arrived. Millions of people came from Europe, Irish, Germans, Italians and Jewish people. They were all seeking a better life. They completely transformed the growing city, bringing new cultures and much needed labor. Section 6, building a modern giant, early 20th century transformations. The city entered the new century. New York was already a world city. Its global influence continued to spread. It was a great center of innovation. New technology was changing everything fast. The general pace of life quickened. Big, ambitious plans were being made for an even greater, more modern city. Amazing infrastructure marvels were built. New skyscrapers reached high for the sky. The Flatiron Building was an early example. Later came the famous Chrysler Building and the iconic Empire State Building too. The city's subway system greatly expanded. It started connecting all the boroughs. Great bridges were built, linking the islands. A cultural blossoming took place here. New York became a major cultural hub. The Harlem Renaissance flourished brightly with amazing art, music and new literature. Broadway shows became world famous. Museums and art galleries also grew. Section 7. Resilience through war and beyond. The indomitable city in New York in World War II. The city played a truly vital role. It was a major and strategic port, sending brave troops and essential supplies. War industries boomed all across the city. Many New Yorkers served in the military. The city deeply felt the war's impact, but it always stood strong and united. Post-war changes brought new challenges too. After the war, the city's growth continued, but there were also some new problems. Urban decay appeared in certain areas. Social unrest occurred at different times. A fiscal crisis hit in the 1970s. The city faced many tough tests. It needed to adapt once more to survive. The city has an enduring resilience. New York City always bounces back strong from any economic hardship it faces, from various social challenges as well, even from very tragic, painful events like the terrible attacks of